Hello there, welcome to this recording on pedagogy. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. So we're going to be looking at Gilly Salmon's 5-stage model, ADDIE, Bloom's taxonomy, and student-centered learning. So Gilly Salmon's 5-stage model. Learners need to be supported in their online learning, which will result in successful and happy outcomes. The model consists of 5 stages with more support required for learners at lower stages than at upper stages. Less tutor support is needed as learners are now self-reliant. It's an inclusive education model as students will be socialising and getting to know each other online at the socialisation stage 2. They will be given welcoming and encouraging messages at the access and motivation stage. The model scaffolds learning similarly to the approach used in constructivism pedagogy. So now on to ADDIE. So it's analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. At the analysis goal stage, analyze the students to decipher skills needs, student backgrounds, learning needs, and target objectives. Design learning objectives, content, lesson plan, and exercises, subject matter experts, choice of assessment, and medium types. Development builds on the previous 2 stages. At this stage, you begin to create one full modular unit, add graphics and fonts. Implementation, roll out the entire course and publish on the LMS, conduct a pilot phase based on 1 unit. Evaluation, where the goals met, gather feedback by using surveys, possible changes in need. So Bloom's taxonomy, created by Benjamin Bloom. This framework is used to create learning resources. It can be used to assist in the writing of learning outcomes by using action verbs. The teaching and examinations are aligned with the learning outcomes. It simplifies the learning objectives both for students and teachers alike. Student-centered learning allows the student to be at the focus of the learning. This method of teaching ensures learners have an active role during the lesson. Students are guiding the learning and allow learners to learn from each other and build on their knowledge. This methodology started to become more popular in nursing education.